How to integrate Google Docs with Gemini AI. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Google Workspace Marketplace. After that, we'll have to tap on this one. And then in here, we'll have to go on the search bar and then type here Gemini AI for Docs. After that, tap on search. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this AI Assist for Gemini. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this install option. And then after that, in here, we'll have to select our Google account. And then in here, tap on continue. After that, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this allow option. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this done option. Once we're done installing Gemini AI, what we need to do is to open another browser and then in here, tap on this menu icon and then select Google Docs. So as an example, I'm gonna open a blank document. And then in here, to completely integrate Google Docs with Gemini AI, what we need to do is to go on top and then in here, tap on this extensions option. And then after that, we'll have to tap on this AI Assist for Gemini and then in here, tap on this open option. After that, we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then in here, tap on these three lines. After that, tap on home. And then after that, we can now completely use Gemini AI here on our Google Docs. So that's how easy we can integrate Google Docs with Gemini AI. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.